that was possibility. But in negative expression, how we will say? Can't we make mistake? She cannot be my sister. It is negative assumption. She cannot be my sister. So these are the models. We have learned the uses of two models, that is can, and in negative expression we have learned the uses of cannot. Now we will learn the uses of will. Uses of will, where we will use this model will, and we will learn in this way we will learn each and every single model along with the negative expression, that in what conditions we will use what kind of models. So these are the uses of cannot and can we have learned earlier. Now we will learn the uses of model, that is will. Now we will study the uses of model will. Earlier we have learned the uses of models can, and to express the negative feelings, where we can use the model can as cannot. In negative expression we can use can as cannot. Now we will learn the uses of model will. So in first condition, where we can use will to express promise, willingness, intention, determination with I and V. There is a condition, remember, with I and V. Will is a model. So we will use this model with I and V, but to express these conditions like promise, willingness, etc. For example, I will help you. Now see here, I will help you. It shows promise. I will buy a car. This is a model will. I will buy a car. It shows willingness. We will build a house. It shows intention. We will work hard. So working hard. So you say normally we say I will work hard. So will work hard shows the feeling determination. Now in second condition, to make a prediction that for example India will be a world superpower by 2025. So it is possible if during the period of this lockdown, if you are staying at your home, you are stay home, stay safe. So in that case you can make the India as world superpower. So it is a prediction. In third condition, invitation or polite request. If you request someone, for example, will you take a cup of tea? Please. Will you take a cup of tea, please? So this is a polite request. In next, inconditional clause to show agreement. For example, if you will forgive me, I promise to be good. So it shows an agreement, conditional agreement, that if you will forgive me, I promise to be good. So in that case we use will, where to show the agreement in conditional clause. Next, for plans and agreements. For example, the stores will stay open till 10 p.m. So this is a plan, or it can be an agreement. So to show some plans or agreements also we can use the model will. Now similarly we use the model will in negative expression. So will can be written as will not in negative. In short it can be written as want. For example, see, negative way of expressing the use of will, that is will not, want. Example, want you have a cup of tea? It shows invitation. Want you have, this is the negative expression of will not model. She won't have heard the news. It shows the negative deduction. So students, we have till now we have learned the uses of model can and negative form in as cannot, and the uses of model will, and in negative we have learned the uses of will not, that is want. Now we will learn the other models, the uses of other models, that is shall, and of course its negative as shan't, that is shall not. Students, now we are learning the uses of the model shall. Earlier we have learned the uses of modal can, then negative expression as cannot, then will, and negative expression of will is will not. Now we are learning the uses of the modal shall. Shall can be used as to express the promise, willingness, intention, determination of course, with you, he, she, and of course name. Children, remember we used the model will, but in the same condition, promise, willingness, intention, determination, but we use will with I and we. Now we are using the model shall with you, he, she, and name of course. So this is the basic difference between will and shall, these two models. For example, you shall bring a watch for me. It shows the promise condition. He shall buy a car. It shows willingness. See the difference. You can see the difference. In will, it was I. I shall bring a watch for him. That was promise. Now shall, in case of shall model, you shall bring a watch for me. Condition is same, but the person is different. In second condition, in legal or commercial field, for example, every customer shall buy the products at his or her own risk. So it's a legal, but it also shows the commercial field. Third condition, in suggestion or request, if you are giving some suggestions or if we are looking for a request, then we use shall. Shall we sit here for some time? It's a request. Shall we sit here for some time? Then in next condition is for knowing will or desire. To know the will or desire of someone, we use this model shall. Shall I bring the files at your house? Shall I bring the files at your house? So it shows it is used for knowing the desire. Desire of whom? Of the boy who is asking that shall I bring the files at your house? Then of course the negative expression of shall, that is shall not. In short, it can be written as shan't. Negative way of expressing the use of shall, that is shall not. For example, they shall not sell this house. It shows no intention. They have no intention of selling the house. So how they will say? They shall not sell this house. He shall not buy a car. He shall not buy a car. It is no willingness. So students, the uses of the models can, will, and shall. These three we have done. I will provide you with the assignment notes of these three models and their uses, and based on these examples I will give and some questions also, so that you can practice it by yourself, and remaining form of models we will learn in the next class. So that's all for today.